You can't pray to catch the bus and stroll down the street. You gotta pray to catch the bus, run as fast as you can, because then if you miss the bus, it's not your bus. But if you don't run, that could have been your bus. And if you don't pray, that could have been your bus. So I try to do both.
What's up, YouTube? It's Jannika. So today is Saturday. Sorry if it's dark in here. This is like my, hold on a second. Sorry if it's dark. This is like my kitchen area. I'm filming. It's like 9:25. I'm getting some content created today. I basically have had a long day. Did all of my kids' hair today. If you know about having 3 curly haired little girls, then you know that takes all day. So I did that, finished the client's work, finished washing and straightening my hair. And now I am filming content, doing all the things that I said that I was gonna do. Okay, that's how we doing it this Saturday. And so wanted to jump on real quick because I'm filming. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna be filming tonight, but I am gonna be taking some pictures, shooting some content. And so I wanted to hop on really quick. I also got my nails done. I don't know if you can see. Take my face out. Yes. So, yeah, got my nails done and about to do all the things. So I'm gonna be showing you guys a little bit how I do this. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Talk to y'all in a minute. So this is my outfit. Really don't know how it's gonna show up on camera. I got this top from Shein, got these jeans. I think they're American Eagle, but I got them from Burlington Coat Factory. So I'm getting into like the thrift girl era for me. And so at the stores that I shop at now, I'm kind of thrift shopping while I go to regular stores. So like I'm basically looking for unique pieces that look and feel like me. That's why I got this top, which is a bell sleeve top, and this is my outfit that I'm gonna be taking pictures in. I'm gonna be doing it in my living room, so hopefully it comes out good, because again, it is late. It's 9 o'clock, 9:25 to be exact, and so I am trying to shoot content late because I said that I would. So I'm doing what I said that I would do, and this is what it takes. And so sorry I keep exposing my life to y'all, but yeah. So I'll be back in a minute. Oh, it's looking like my batteries are dead on my camera, so I might have to shoot some content on my phone, which I'm not the fondest of these days, but if that's what I gotta do, that's what I gotta do. And I'm gonna try to get a couple quick shots on my Canon T-Rebel 6 really quick. So
it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah, gotta let them know. If you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Trouble understanding it. If you trust in God, he got his hands in it. I promise he'll protect you like it's lamb in it. He don't get the glory if the man did it. You gotta stand with him. I know, yeah. Life gets hard and it feels like it's no way out. Yeah, I promise if you just keep going, it'll all work out. Yeah, cause that's my God. He won't let you go by fire. All you need to know right now, he gon' pick you up, give you love right now.
All I need, give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading what's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth. Throwing away my old ways, something that I gotta do. I gotta get the power from the source. That's the only way to stay.
what's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Saturday.
I say you guys record.
And we are at Snooze AM Eatery. We're getting breakfast. We're waiting.
It's hot out here.
It's hot. I'm sleepy. Frank woke me up early because he get up early. I go back to sleep. He slept in a little bit.
I got up at what, 7:45? It's hot right here.
So, yeah. That's why.
Can you slide up or no? I want to slide like that.
Always got his hands in it for sure. I know that he's secure. In every situation, you give me peace. Don't gotta be afraid, cause you're in the lead. I know that'll never be the same, cause you set me free. Yeah. That's my guy. He won't let you go by far. All you need to know right now. He gon' pick you up, give you love right now. Yeah.
So we're headed out to go to Crayola Experience to take Autumn for her birthday, to get the kids out and about for the last weekend of summer. And so this is, y'all will be going along with us to do so. So I'll see y'all in a bit.
Isn't all I need. Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. Everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. Everything I am, I'm trading.
God started revealing this revelation. I had to upgrade the title. It's going to be trading faith. It's going to take you trading where you put your faith. And what we have to do, which is a very scary thing for people, is take our trust out of what's gotten us here and now trade it for the presence of what God wants to do in our life. Trading faith is changing the faith that got you here for the faith that will take you there. Where's there? Your prophetic promise? Where is there? You walking in purpose? When my anger's about to go crazy, I don't run to a bottle. That's what I used to trust. That's what got me here. I don't run to money and being a workaholic. That's what I used to trust. That's where I used to put my faith. I don't even run to my husband or wife because they are not the source. They are just a resource. I am trading where I used to go, and I'm putting it in the one who can actually heal me.
Okay. Wow. How old are you? Moo, moo, moo.
There's mine over here to get down. There's mine. Oh, yeah. Get it. Get it. Go ahead.
Franklin,
Don't do that.
you're on YouTube.
Get mama on YouTube.
That's going on too. I'm not editing that part out. Okay, just let you know
Well, let me know what.
that you will be on YouTube with all of your statements.
That's your mama on YouTube?
Wow. I'm gonna share this video with my mom.
That's fine. Man, what's the name of my hotel?
Cambria.
I was about to say Con.
I don't know why you didn't pop up.
Good?
That thing delicious.
Son of a butcher, y'all.
Man, you son of a butcher.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, revealing all the pretty little skin. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do. And you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer. Greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. Never wait upon the giver. He'll deliver like a dealer. Take her high.